Okay, this is your roving reporter, Julius Washington, here in Columbia, South Carolina. We are at the Soda City Market here in Columbia. This is a Saturday in the fall, and as you can see, every morning on Saturdays, this is what happens on Main Street. Okay, just give you a little perspective of the market. We're still here at the Venezuelan business. We like these little pockets, so they were so nice that we had to go back twice. So here we are again, enjoying this. Is it all ground beef?
This one is pizza.
Okay, so you tried it.
Pizza and ground beef.
Okay, you tried one pizza. Okay, so we're just experimenting out here, but truly enjoying this right now. This guy here, he's versatile. He cooking the jerk chicken. What's going on? Say what's going on?
Yeah, man. Everything good?
everything Irie? Yeah. I see the guy. He doing the jerk. Yeah, he doing the jerk, huh? Oh, you want tear off piece? Appreciate it, brother. Yeah. Well.
Are you local to Columbia?
Yeah, we are.
Where are you?
Well, right now we only do major events. So we only do when we set up it at least.
Yeah. So he's cooking the jerk, and he's multitasking and cutting the coconuts for you at the same time.
No, he's cutting the coconut. Yeah, man.
What's your name, brother?
Nevado.
Nevado? Okay, Julius.
Yeah, man.
Ari, bro.
The truck is Bamboo Cottage.
So he says Bamboo Cottage. That's the name of the truck. And you guys have a business, or is it just a food truck?
Just a food truck right now.
Uh-huh.
But we do major festivals.
Okay.
We do New York Jerk Festival, we do New Jersey Jerk Festival, we do Boston Jerk Festival.
Okay.
We do the Hangout.
What's the best jerk here in Columbia right now?
What is the what?
Well, who's the best jerk right here in Columbia right now?
Well, the most authentic would be us.
Okay.
So if we're the most authentic, we're the best.
Okay. You got the rice and peas or peas and rice?
Rice and peas.
Okay.
We don't sell peas and rice.
That's Bahamas.
Never have.
Everything under the sun here. One of the things is, even for the doggies, they got the little personalized bandanas. You know, so like I said, this is a market. It's an open air market, and they've got a lot of food vendors, and you also have a lot of different types of, trinkets, different types of what type of stuff do you call all these different type of shops? Trinkets. Different kinds of stuff. Art, wine, hot sauce, food vendors, very international. So anything you can think of, they've got it down there. Little knitted hats for, getting ready for the winter time. Little dresses here for your little small babies and daughters, and a all that stuff look like it's homemade, so authentic. But this is Julius and from the Washington Group, and I'm signing out. Hi, thank you so much for listening in on and checking out our content. We really appreciate that from the bottom of our heart. If you are thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, we would love to have a frank and earnest conversation with you about the goodness of working with Julius Washington and the Washington Group. Until the next time, salute.